When it comes to time tracking, the right software can boost productivity, streamline billing, and keep teams on track. Today we're comparing 5 popular options: Clockify, QuickBooks, ToggleTrack, Rescue Time, and finally Deputy, to see which one stands out. Clockify is a favorite for freelancers and small teams because it's free for unlimited users and projects. It offers manual and automatic time tracking, reporting, and integrations with tools like Asana and Trello. Paid tiers unlock deeper analytics and different types of budgeting, making it scalable as your needs grow. Now, QuickBooks Time, formerly T-Sheets, is tailored for businesses needing precise employee tracking and payroll integration. GPS tracking, scheduling, and overtime alerts make it ideal for field teams. However, it's best suited for businesses already using QuickBooks, as standalone costs can add up. ToggleTrack is all about simplicity and design. It's great for creatives and consultants who want beautiful reports and effortless tracking. While it doesn't go as deep into scheduling as QuickBooks or Deputy, its ease of use make it a favorite for individuals and smaller teams. Rescue Time focuses on productivity insights rather than billing or payroll. It runs in the background, tracking app and website usage to help users understand where their time goes. It's excellent for personal productivity, but less useful for team-based reporting. And Deputy stands out for workforce management. Beyond time tracking, it handles scheduling, shift swaps, and labor cost control, making it great for hospitality, retail, and healthcare industries. However, its broader features may be overkill for solo professional. So, which is best? Clockify, best for free, scalable tracking. QuickBooks Time for ideal payroll-focused businesses. ToggleTrack is perfect for freelancers and consultants. Rescue Time is just great for personal productivity, and Deputy is designed for shift-based teams. So which one do you think fits your workflow best? Think about it. Let me know in the comments below. If you want a more deeper breakdown of any one of those, also let me know. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more awesome stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video.